Alright, what's going on, YouTube? Alright, I had this problem with my dishwasher where the normal and the heavy was flashing here. And so I looked it up. I guess I needed a thermistor. So what I did, I already got my dishwasher out of there. And flip it over here. This one ain't like the other one with the side panel deal. So I was looking for videos and I couldn't find it. So with this style dishwasher, flip it over. All right. And you want to take it, I already took it off, but it's an access panel that goes here. So I think it's like, it might be a screw or something like that to take this off. Screw right in the front, right here, to take it off. Then it just pops right off. And so I was hearing something about the thermistor, and I couldn't find a thermistor because the other one is a little different on the other model, I guess. So what I did is, well, what happened was we got a hamster. The kids got this hamster. The hamster got out the cage, was running around up under the dishwasher. Next thing you know, the dishwasher didn't work no more. So I'm like, what the hell? All right, anyway, so after we found the hamster, the dishwasher wouldn't work no more. So the lights were saying we needed a thermistor. And I couldn't find a thermistor for nothing. So I just started looking around, and next thing I know, boom. We got these little wires that's came loose. Look like they've been chewed on. So I'm guessing this is the thermistor right here. So if you're looking for your thermistor, let's do this here. Uh-oh. And what I'm gonna do with mine is I'm gonna just reconnect these wires. That's probably what's wrong with mine. But if you're looking for your thermistor, there it is. Right here in the front. Flip it over and boom. But with me, I'm gonna just connect my wires back and see what happens. Well, there it goes. There goes your thermistor. If you're looking for it on this model style dishwasher, there you go.